One of the good practices of using UCINET is to set your default folder. After you install UCINET, the default folder is under C drive, Program Files, Analytic Technologies, Data Files. This means every time after you run UCINET, all the data files will be saved in this folder. When I work on my network analysis project, my project has its own folder. So what I usually do is to change default folder. To do that, you go to File, choose Change Default Folder. For example, my default folder is under Downloads. I want to save all my UCINET data files under the folder Network Analysis Project, and I want all my UCINET output files in this folder, which has a name UCINET Output. I selected this folder, and now you can see my default folder has already changed. This will be very helpful as you manage a lot of UCINET output files.